issue. There are only students.
Yeah,
I
I
think
could. How to this
that is
one?
the faculty.
This one, if I how to edit.
You change one into faculty. That will be
Okay,
easy.
sir.
Okay
Okay,
then.
sir. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, next one. Hello friends. Those who are sitting idle, take a new tab. Search for multiple choice question of your particular topic. Susan ma'am, you are live.
Okay, sir.
Student, teacher, everyone is present. Which is the topic you are taking?
Business and
English.
finance.
That is why there is lot of rush. Okay, okay, great.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Stop sharing. Stop sharing. Give chance to others, please. Friends, go to new tab, type, and search for multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question. Multiple choice question in which questions along with answers should be there. Because we will be doing a task now itself. Take a new tab. So what we are encouraging you to in this program is that to be multitasking. In one window, one tab you will be doing something, and the other tab you will be doing some other thing. Okay then. Seems no one is interested. Hello, Shaiju sir. Morning. Are you interested in sharing the screen?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, I am here. Share your screen and we will
Sir,
talk.
sir, I don't know how to add the persons, that is the participants. Um,
Why?
Let me share my thing.
What is the issue? All had completed the process, no?
Uh,
Now I have crossed the 100 mark. 100% had completed the whole process. What happened to you? Can you share the screen? Hello.
yes,
Are you,
sir. After,
are you there?
yes, sir.
Share
Yes,
your
sir.
screen, Matilda, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have now. After this, after completing this general, that is, I have enrolled the
Matilda, ma'am.
username.
Hold on. Let me do the
Yes,
talking.
sir.
Remove that caps in your username. Okay then. See, it is better you give a small username rather than these all things at gmail.com. Okay. Okay then. Come down. Username. Okay, down. Save. Come down.
Sir, after this, what should I do?
Save. First
Say,
save. Create user.
save,
Okay. No. Create user.
but it is not. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you,
So
sir.
have you seen it is working?
Yes,
It is
it's
already
now working,
working.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now do
I
one thing.
added, but some it is
Now
not
do one
added.
thing.
That's why.
Now do one thing.
Yes,
Click onto
sir.
the course. Where is the course? You have not created the course. Can you go to home? Click onto home. Let me see the front page. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Come down. Optional one.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Do one thing. Turn editing on. Okay. Everything is correct. Go back. Here you can see participants. Down below 01. Left side
Yes.
second item. Optional one. Click on the optional one. Yeah. Wait for my instruction. Do nothing.
Yes.
On the left side, you can see an orange band. Down below, you
Yes,
can
sir.
see participants.
Yes.
Click on to participants. Click.
Yes,
In the
sir.
right side, you can see enroll users.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir. I can follow, sir.
Click on to enroll users. Right, type TA. You typed something like Tamil, something like that. TA. No, no.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see Tamil. You can see here. See, click on to that person. But before that, remember one thing. Back. Remember one thing. Then assigned role. It is student.
Students.
Perfectly,
Yes.
it is student. Okay. So enroll user. Enroll user.
Yes, I have given,
So you
sir.
can see the person's name in that
Okay.
program. Stop sharing.
Okay. Thank.
Give chance to
Yes.
others.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, stop sharing. Can I go back? Hello, friends. Anyone else? This is an important part because we got the other stakeholder as well. Now we will be getting into business. We got the content, we got the platform, we prepared the content, we enrolled the stakeholder, both the faculty and the student as well. As the manager, you have completed your job. So can I go to the next one? As there is no response,
Yes, sir.
I'll,
Yes.
I'll be going.
यस सर नया बता रहे हैं अब
Acha.
यस सर
Okay then. This is it. So here, first, before you enroll a person, see what the role that person is going to handle. Student or faculty or manager or things like that. Change accordingly. So the next one. Now we'll be getting into the evaluation process. Now add an activity. Add an activity. You will be seeing this band go down. You can go to quiz, click on to quiz. Click on to quiz. So friends who are in the process of preparation of MCQs in a
Sir,
new tab,
once more, please.
yeah. Now we are into the subject. After enrollment, you go to your subject and wait for my instruction. So as and when you are in the web page of the particular course, go to topic number 2. Maybe it will be blank. Add an activity underneath that or add an activity in under the content you have created. Because in the content you had given them the notes. Now I want to check whether they have studied to your expectation. So what you need to do is you need to conduct some examination or assessment test. The best assessment test that can be used in Moodle is MCQs, multiple choice question. Click on to add an activity. Click on to add an activity. You will be getting the same process which we had used for the page. You will be seeing the full page where you can see the quiz in just middle to that. Quiz. Can you see
Yes.
tick mark? Quiz, add. You will be getting this one. You will be
Right,
getting
sir.
this page. MCQ
Yes.
1, multiple choice question 1.
Got it, sir. Got
MCQ
it.
1, or a multiple choice question assessment, or interim assessment, or first assessment. Give the name, describe. In this assessment, I'll be analyzing the learning habits of the students for the particular topic, or learning assessment of the students related to a particular topic. After typing that, nearby there is an expand all. Click on to expand all. Click on to expand all. Hello. Hope you have completed that process. Expand all. See what I don't know what is in your mind. Are you interested in giving 5 questions? Are you interested in giving 10 questions? Based upon that, you should specify the time limit as well, because we want them to be little bit more studious. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going down to the next one, that is timing. There you can see the third item, time limit, enable time. If you are asking 2 questions, 20 seconds, 30 seconds is more than enough. If you are asking 20 questions, I'll be giving them 3 minutes, 5 minutes, etc. You can specify your time limit here. Time. Then, do you know what? Yesterday we had uploaded the content. It is not fair to upload the questions now. So you can specify the date. So today is, you put the timing as 20 or 25 according to your interest. But now for the time being, will not be giving, because if you specify the time, enable, click, then only on that particular day the thing will be active. Otherwise, the student will never be able to see the MCQ displayed there. So you can announce them. See, on June 1st, you will be having an exam. Teacher, about the question, you don't worry. By 9:30, the question will be live. And you specify the date. Here, click 1 June 2020. And you can specify the time. At what time the question should be live. Then you tell them the exam starts exam is from 9:30 to 11:30. You specify the time. 1st May, 1st June, this thing. So after doing all this thing, don't enable, because you will be getting into trouble. I want to see it now. So first click on to enable and type all these things and see whether it is working or not. After that, take out the enable and just concentrate on the time limit alone. If you are, that is why I told you to take a new tab and get some questions. If you are adding more questions, you give time accordingly. So as and when the student start using that MCQ, the time will be displayed in front of him. So as and when the time is ticking, he will be getting little bit anxiety, etc. So he'll be on his toes and doing it in a faster manner. So that through that we'll be testing his learning skills as well. So time is one important aspect that you need to incorporate into the system. Then layout. As you know, at the end of the day, we will be using the mobile. So either it is mobile or web page. My preference is 1 question per page. If you want, for that, you don't need to do. It will be showing every question per page. Then if you want more than 1 question, you can give here. Then attempts allowed. Just take a look at the first finger pointing. Attempts allowed, that is unlimited. So the student, for the first module, etc., you can give them unlimited. They can exercise for more than 1 number of times. In short, what you will be doing is encourage them learning. If in my first attempt I'll be getting 30, I'll not be satisfied. I'll be trying it another time 35, another time it will be 40, another time 45, and finally I'll be reaching 50. So he'll be taking some time. Slowly what we are doing is we are encouraging him to learn. My suggestion is give them a restricted access after that. That means limit the number of access. 5, 10 is more than enough, not unlimited, because they will be lazy. So restrict this attempt, and that attempts will be also be showing along with the time. That means the number of attempts the student can make is 5 only. So he'll be very studious. Then one more thing, the more the number of questions, the better it is. The element for academic corruption, copying or something like that, will be less, because though they sit together, they will not be able to answer it in the same manner. Why? Because we'll be the next one, question behavior, shuffle. Yes, click on to shuffle, because when I and my friend sit together, his page will be showing some question and my page will be showing some other question. So that is why I told you, go to take a new tab, search for MCQs of your domain and collect those MCQs and incorporate that into the scene. The more the number of questions, the better it will be. So review options, you don't click, show that you are not interested in displaying the answer, because as and when he clicks no, if you are giving a second chance or third chance, the answer will be shown below. So take the tick out. Right answer. Remove that click. Because if after every click, no, it will be when he goes to the next question, it will be showing that you are wrong and the answer is this thing. So he'll be understanding what the real answer is. If a faculty is interested in showing, don't change it. That is given here. Save and return to the
Sir, can you give the explanation of how questions behave?
questions behave.
The question behavior. Shuffle with
Yeah.
questions, yes. Then
Yes.
below.
Sir, Varghese sir, please wait, sir. I will
Okay.
come to that thing slowly.
Okay.
This is the module. You are setting the module. You are not in a position to set the question. After setting the question, you yourself can see how it behaves. Save and return to the course. Have you done that?
No, sir.
Varghese, save and return to course. Do you know what? It is like creating the content. First, we created the platform without any content. Do you know what? Here we are creating the platform for uploading the MCQs. We have not discussed about MC questions. The behavior of questions comes only after incorporating that questions. When you incorporate that question, you can see how it comes and how it goes. This is the platform. This is a space. You are creating a space. You are specifying a space in the web server that this is what you are going to do. So I am stopped sharing and I am waiting for you. I like to see the MCQ link in each one of you. Please be on screen one by one. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Neelu ma'am.
Sir,
Sir,
Sibichan sir, you are live.
sir, can you see mine?
No, it is Sibichan sir.
Is it okay, sir?
Yeah, it is perfect.
Thank you.
Stop sharing. Next one, please. Neelu ma'am, you are live. Yes, I can see the questions. Child development. Yes. Okay, great. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Next one, please. Is there anyone? Smita ma'am? No, you go back. Smita ma'am, you go back. Don't come to that page. Tanya ma'am? Yes, great.
Yes.
You are there. Smita ma'am, that should come under your subject, no? Smita ma'am? Tanya ma'am? That quiz
Yeah, yeah.
should come under that particular one. You have made a mistake. That is about the topic. After content only you should come. So go to the page and there is an arrow nearby, drag it and bring it down. Or do the process again.
Sir, can you see my screen, sir? Kamala Devi.
Yeah. No, it is not Kamala Devi. Yes, ma'am. You are live at multiple choice. Okay, correct. Yeah. Stop sharing. Yeah, next one, please. Kamala, ma'am, you are not live.
Okay. Yabal Ablesh sir is presenting.
No, nobody is presenting. Hello. Hello.
Sir, I'm sharing the screen, but I don't know whether my screen is visible.
Punita, ma'am, you are live. Who is sharing? Is it Punita? Ma'am, you are perfect.
Sir?
MCQ test 1. Yeah, it is perfect. That's it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Tanya, ma'am, it should come under the topic which you had created, not anywhere else, because it is the assessment of the content you have done. So it should come under that. Otherwise, the student will
Okay,
tell
sir.
you,
How can we move
teachers,
it?
there is nothing in your
Can
page.
we move it?
Yeah, go to the page and drag it and down. Turn editing on. Have you seen the topic now? Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. Like that, you go to that particular page, position and
Yes.
drag it down. It will come.
Sir, is it?
Ma'am, you are, sir, you are wrong. The
Okay,
same
thank you,
mistake.
sir.
The content should come under, assessment should come under the content, not before the content.
How
So do the process again. Go to the topic.
how it will
There is a
add below, sir? How it add below, sir?
While creation of the system, click on the link closer to that. Then this trouble would not have occurred. You go to the home page, that particular one, click onto that. Here the first term psychology.
Okay.
Now you can see the assessment. Where is the assessment?
Add an activity or source. This one.
Even add an activity or resource and delete the other one. Otherwise,
Okay.
it is
Okay,
hosted
okay.
in some other place.
Okay.
It should,
Okay, sir.
it should come under this one only. Friends, remember that the MCQ comes only under the content, not above or not in somewhere else. Because the student now, they will tell you, ma'am, there is nothing there. Only the content is there. Where is the question? I don't know where you have hosted. Okay, Varghese, can you stop sharing? Next one, please. Hello. Susan ma'am, Matilda ma'am. Oh, Matilda ma'am, you are live.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. I can see the quiz. That is under the
Thank you,
content.
sir.
Well and good. Max
Thank you,
education, great.
Thank you.
Job. Stop sharing, please. Next one. Susan ma'am, you are live. Seems everything is perfect. MCQ, SEM 1. Great. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Next one, please. Hello. Seems no one is interested. Susan ma'am, you are live. Max class 6th standard CBSE syllabus. Yeah, great. Quiz time, okay, great. That's it. Perfect, ma'am. Irene, Susan ma'am, perfect. Can anyone else come forward? Or can I go to the next one? Now the important part. Hello, I'm going to the next one.
Am I right, sir?
Wagi sir, 1 second. Yeah, Wagi sir. Yes, great. This is it. Sir, it should come automatically when you prepare now. Fix it under the content only, so that you will not get into any trouble in future.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now, getting back. See, we have reached here. We had created the content, and now you got the MCQ displayed there with the tick symbol. Now, edit quiz. Click on to edit quiz. Click on to that MCQ, and it will be taking to this page where you can see edit quiz and back to the course. My purpose is to edit the quiz because, as someone has asked, where will I put the question? Will be starting edit quiz. Click on to edit quiz. Click on to edit quiz. Then there is two on the right side. You can see two icons: shuffle, add. Click on to shuffle as well because I want to confirm that the question is shuffled. So first I will be clicking on to shuffle, and I'll be adding. Now add. Click on to add. Click on to add. And it shows a new question. When you click on to add, you can see 3 links coming. A new question from question bank, a random question. First, let us concentrate only on the manual items. We will be preparing a question, a new question. Click on to a new question. Then you will be getting the same band as we have seen in the pages. While incorporating pages, while incorporating MCQs, we have seen this band, the same band. Go down, you can see multiple choice questions. Click on to multiple choice. I am going to repeat the whole thing. I had created the MCQ 3. Now I click the MCQ, keep the mouse on MCQ and click onto it. Then it will be taking to this page, another page where the MCQ is hosted. So MCQ is hosted here, and I can see 2 bars. One is edit quiz and back to the course. Click on to edit quiz. When I edit quiz, it will be doing like this. Edit quiz MCQ 3. Yours will be edit quiz MCQ 1. Then on the right side you can see shuffle and add. Click on to shuffle first. Check the box. Shuffle means I just want to reconfirm that my questions comes only in a shuffled manner. There are two or three types of way in which the questions can be displayed. There you can see on the final of your chapter, no, on that module, no, you can give a sequential manner whereby you will be asking question number 1 from the first chapter, question 2 from the second chapter, question 3 from the third chapter, and question 4 from the fourth chapter, and the total module consisted of 5 chapters, and the final one question from the question 5 chapter. So what it happens is that if you click sequential means if the person is not able to answer the first question, you are assured that he has completed the first chapter and he has learned everything. So when he goes to the second question, no, that represents the second chapter. If he is not able to answer to that question, no, the whole exam stops. That is the essence of sequential. So here we are not going on to that. We will be discussing in some other place regarding sequential. Now here we are just concentrating on shuffle. Click on to checkbox and shuffle the whole thing. And below that you can see add. Click on to add. You can see add any question from question bank, random question. Add any question from question bank, random question. What the essence of this program is to manually capacitating the faculty members. So we will be stressing on manual incorporation of questions into MCQ. So what we will be doing is we will be clicking on to a new question. When you click on to a new question, you can see multiple choice. You will see this bar, the same bar which we use for incorporating pages. So here you can see multiple choice. Click on to multiple choice, add. Down below you can see a orange band. As and when you click that multiple choice, this orange band glows into orange, otherwise it will be in green color. So it realized that the web page realized that you are interested in creating some questions. Click on to add, and now you come to this page. I am stop sharing this page. I am waiting for you. Hello? Can I go to the next one? Or do you want me to repeat the whole thing? I think these are simple things because we had done it 2 times before. So this is the 3rd time. If you have completed 2 times, it is easy for you in the 3rd time as well. Please complete the process and I will tell you what the question you are going to type. You will be getting into the final page where you need to type, give the name, explain the question and give the answer as well. Seems Ruchi ma'am, you are live. Multiple default for all MCQ question. Ruchi ma'am,
सर मेरी स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपको?
स्क्रीन तो दिख रहा है, मगर मेरे को एक सजेशन है, वो है ना वो क्वेश्चंस, वो मैक्स we will do it after some time. Can you remove the question text?
Yes, sir.
Question name is MCQ1 or
Okay.
MCQA, because question number, no, that is just numbering.
Okay,
Master
sir.
ma'am, can you hold on? Let me clear this doubt.
Okay, okay, okay.
So
Okay.
give the question name means question number.
Okay, sir.
MCQ1, MCQ2,
हाँ.
something like that.
Then,
I'm
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर, ये
Yeah.
जब हम जैसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ मेंशन करते हैं तो यहाँ ऑप्शन 1 ऑप्शन 2 करके लिखना होता है?
No, first wait. I
यस
will
सर.
come to that. See, regarding max, we will take it up after some time. We will be using
Okay,
simple
sir.
questions.
ओके सर. ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Okay then. Next one, please. So there is no
Sir?
one.
सर,
Yes.
यदि हम कोई क्वेश्चन कॉपी करके लेके आना चाहते हो, यदि हमारे लैपटॉप में कहीं सेव है कोई क्वेश्चन?
As there was no response from your side regarding what is next, I thought you are not in a position to take that questions. What you should do is go to any website, take the questions, multiple choice questions of your domain, not for
Okay,
math,
sir.
not with some equations, some plain questions alone. The technical part we will be doing it after some time. And when you take the copy from web page, do you know the formatting comes automatically into it? So what you need to do is open Notepad. Take from accessories, you can see Notepad in that. From accessories, you copy it and paste it on Notepad. All the formatting will be removed, and you can copy the questions into the text, into the
Okay,
module
sir.
we had created. So
Okay, sir. Right, try.
for the time you need to try. Then only you will get to understand how it works. So what I
Yeah.
wanted. Is there anyone interested, or can I go to the questions? Seems none is interested. There is no sharing going on, so I am going back. So friends, I'll be incorporating only a simple question. The simple question is,
Sir,
with the
one
price.
doubt, sir. Sir, sir,
Yeah,
can you hear, sir?
yeah, it is loud and clear.
Okay, sir. In the first part, adding a multiple choice question, there is a general, that means category. There is a different choices were included in it. That means an assessment of I will show the desktop to you. Yes, sir. Can
Yeah.
I show you?
I am waiting.
Oh, okay. Sir, here, adding a multiple choice question. Can you see, sir?
Yes, it is live.
That means category. Then when I click the category, these are the choices.
That is the thing. Don't click on the things which I never tell you.
Oh, okay, okay.
See, what it happens is that it is default. Default means when you upload a question, no, we had specified the path that it should come under only first sem psychology.
Okay.
So it automatically takes psychology as the place where the questions should be incorporated.
Okay.
This is, if you want to incorporate it into something else, you can click this one and change it. But normally, do you know what? It is better you go back to the place rather than creating any confusion. Go back to the particular chapter, from that add on to MCQ rather than changing from here. You will be in a
Okay.
doubt. So if you are in a hurry, means you can type here, click on to add this into the first chapter or some other course. Then you can add the second question into some other chapter or some other course. Like that you can do. But simple method is when you create an MCQ under a particular domain, the default will be taken as that particular topic only. That is default for SEM psychology. SEM psychology. So if you are interested in fixing it to some other thing, you can do it. But
Okay, sir.
Varghese sir, that we'll be doing after 1 month or So that
Okay,
we
sir.
will be able to analyze how it works. It is
Then,
seen.
sir, a question name means only number only need to be.
Question number one. Number
Okay.
one or MCQ one or SEM one, that chapter name.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
PSY one, PSY two, or something like that. That is
Okay.
number. Now come to the question. Anyone else? Varghese sir, the technicalities we will be looking into after complete the process. Then you will know where this question should be adopted. So
Okay.
if you open this and you want to incorporate it into something else, you can change the path. That is
I can myself, yes, sir. After the course, I can myself do the work and study more and more. That's
yeah,
okay.
yeah, of course, of
Okay.
course. See here
Okay.
now, if you want to test, you can do. You can type a psychology question. I will be giving you one question. After that, you type a psychology question and specify the path and tell them it to copy it into some other thing. It will be
Okay.
doing that. So
Okay.
that means when you open this page, no, you can copy n number of questions, but you should be thorough that where this question should go. Here,
Okay.
what we'll be doing is we will be putting all these questions and it will be uploaded at the default position. Where is the default position? The position where you had created this MCQ. That is under a particular title, and all these questions will come under this title. For the Varghese sir, for the time being, I will not be giving you a psychology question, but I will be giving you a small question. That is, who is the Prime Minister of India? Type that
Okay.
question. Type that question in the subject matter. Type that question in the subject matter. Here you can see the arrow where you need to type. Question text. Type the question matter.
Okay.
And
Okay.
after that, don't describe about feedback. Just leave
Okay.
it blank. Default mark. For one MCQ, I think it is better you give just 1 mark. So the default will be taken. Vagisa, this is what I told you. Default, it has a
Mark 1.
default position. Default it will be taking. Sometimes
Okay.
you will be asking 5 one word and you need to give it as 10. Here you can change the default 1 to 2. Like that,
Okay.
default automatically, it is created in such a way that it will be in a position, will be able to assist you. So this is the thing. So what you will be doing is you have type the text who is the Prime Minister of India. Then you come down, you can see answers. Now type the answer. First one, Ramesh, Sumesh. Choice 3, Mahesh. Choice 4, Modi. And all the other things you give us none, and only for the perfect answer you give 100%. All the other things you give none. Underneath you can see grade none. For the perfect answer, where you have given us Modi, you give it as 100%. You don't want to follow the order which I have told you. You can put Modi name in between as well. You can change it to some other name as well, except the name of the Prime Minister. Now do one thing. Below that you can see save changes and continue editing. Below that, save and save questions, save edit or something like that. Save it and get back to the questions. Now you can see the questions displayed like this. Have you seen it? Varghese, this is how the question is displayed. Friends, have you seen that? If it is 2 questions, you need to give maximum grade 2 only. I like to see the screen of each one of you. If it is 2 questions, 2 only. If it is 3 questions, 3 only. If it is 1 question, it is 1 only. So if possible, incorporate some more questions. Give question number 1 as MCQ1, MCQ2 or 2. Type the text. Who is the Chief Minister of your state? Give some examples. And then save and get back. You can see the second question as well. You can see the second question as well. Now, what you can do is, you go back to the course and click onto the evaluation test, MCQ test, and it will be showing like this. Attempt the quiz, and it will be showing the question like this. One question per page. That is why I am able to see only one question. Click onto that. Go to the next page.
Somebody else is sharing the screen.
One second. Stop sharing. This is it. Go back. Go to your topic. Go to the MCQ you had hosted. Click onto that. It will be asking attempt quiz. You can see the question with the circles. Click onto the answer. Go to next. And go to next. And go to next. Your answer is correct. If you have given the feedback, and like that, will be stop sharing the screen, and I am waiting for others. One question, 1 mark. Yes, now is the time to share the screen. Friends, incorporate the MCQs. Show me the screen. With
I
the
can't
default
see
number.
anything.
You are not
Sir, we
able to see.
can't see anything. Somebody is sharing the screen.
We can't see anything.
Vasu ma'am, stop sharing. Do you want me to go again? Neetu ma'am?
Yes, sir, please, sir.
Okay. Please, friends, please don't jump into the screen and cause trouble. See, this is how to create question. First one, question name, give the number. MCQ 1, question number 1, question number A, Roman letter, numeric number, it doesn't matter anything. Now type the question text. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Default to mark 1, because one MCQ carries 1 mark. If you want to give 2 mark, it is up to you. Default is given as 1. You can change the default into 2 marks, 5 marks, etc. Now come down. Now give the answer. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4, etc. Choice 1, Ramesh, Sumesh, choice 2, Mahesh, choice 3, and choice 4, Modi ji. So Ramesh, Sumesh, etc. are false, so give them none. Grade none. For Modi ji, grade as 100. For Modi ji, keep the grade as 100. For Modi ji, give the grade as 100. Now come down, you can see save changes. Below that there is another block, I think save and get back, save editing or something like that. Click onto that and get back to the course. You can see the questions displayed like this. Do one thing, add one more question. On the right side you can see shuffle highlighted, and add also. Add another, click on to add. It will be asking the same process. Type another question. Who is the Chief Minister of your state? Give some names.
So for that question name is same. When we add a question name is same.
How can it be same?
Question
That is
name
another
has
question
to
now.
so
Yeah.
MCQ 2. So you have to
2,
write.
that's it.
Thank
MCQ
you,
2. That is good. You can see here, it is given 1, 2. Page
Okay.
2, page question 2.
Okay, sir.
If you type 1, it will be asking. Already the question is here. Do you want to delete or superimpose or like that? Questions will be asked. So don't repeat the same process. Type another number, another question, another answer, and complete the process. I like to see the questions from each one of you. Then go back.
Sir, can you see the screen?
Oh, wait. Is it Vasu, ma'am? Just wait. Just wait, because others
No,
are
sir.
lagging. It is not Vasu. Sorry.
It's Tanya here, sir.
Because I know Varghese or Vasu, these are the ones who always interested in jumping onto the screen. So, I have kept my screen in a slight position so that I will not damage my screen. Okay then. So next one, please. See, this is what. Go to the next page. Go to your domain. To go to your paper. Click onto the quiz, and you can see attempt a quiz. Attempt a quiz, and the question will come. Click onto the circle. Select one answer, and go to the next question, next page. And this is the process. So I am stop sharing. Each one of you can come over. Yeah, Shruti ma'am, you are like great. Go to next page. Answer that one. Himesh, Mahesh, great. Kashyap sir, always, yeah. Okay, great. Finish attempt. Answer saved, and the timing is there. Great. Can anyone else share the screen? This is how the MCQ are uploaded. Tomorrow, what I want is, I want to have 10 questions live in your module with the answers. And for your information, I want you to log in under each name and answer. Each name and answer the question. So what I want is the attempts made by the students, not by you. You are a manager. You log in. I know. You know that. Anu ma'am, please mute your mic. Hello, please mute your mic. Okay then. This is it. What you should do is, you should.
Is it okay, sir?
Yeah. See, can you attempt the quiz? Attempt. Go to the one. Go to that topic. No. Go back. Go back to your content. Edu 102. That hatch.
Yeah.
Above participant. Click onto that. Not there. Left side corner.
EDU 122. Here.
102. That is your course.
Okay.
Click onto that. Now go to the quiz. Show me the quiz where you had posted. Yeah. Click onto assessment. Friends, take a look like this. Attempts allowed 7. Come down. This is not currently available. You should have specified something else.
Okay.
See, the date is wrong. 10 June 2020 to 10 August 2020.
Yeah,
Don't worry,
nice.
I will not be coming to meet you on 10th June.
Okay, sorry.
Sir, give a request to Ronu ma'am to continue till 10 June. Then
Okay,
I will be live.
Thank you. Yeah, I specified.
No. I told you after to uncheck the box.
Okay, sir.
Enable to disable.
Okay, sir.
So that is why it is not available.
Okay,
Next one,
sir.
please. Sibichan sir, be careful. I told you after checking it, just to see how it works, uncheck the box and
I
come back.
enabled. Yeah, I just enabled.
Yeah, it is available from 10 June to 10 August.
Okay.
Hello. Next one, please. Kashyap sir, you are back.
Yes, sir.
Are you in Assam?
Today I am facing many connection problems. That's why, and no problem. Tomorrow I will show you the presentation, sir.
Sab, मैं हूं ना. आप तो relax करो. Enjoy the rain. I think you are from Assam.
Yes, I am from Assam, sir.
Yeah, I know it is raining heavily. So you close.
Yes, sir. Weather is
and just relax. I am here.
Okay, no problem.
Okay then. Next one, please. Neela ma'am, you are live.
Yes, sir.
Attempts allowed. What? Are you a strict principal? Come on. Be a little bit more lenient, ma'am.
Okay.
Give one or more chance.
So this is a trial session under your guidance, na? So
See, one more thing. There is a mistake, Neelam ma'am. The same mistake done by Sibichan sir. The quiz
Yeah.
will not be available until Monday, 1 June. Please provide me a flight ticket to Gujarat, to and fro.
okay, same. Yeah,
Then
yeah,
only I'll
right.
be able to meet you at 1 June.
Okay.
Change that date. Change the date and give it to something else.
Okay. Thank you. Sir.
Time limit 10 minutes for one question. That is not fair.
That is not. Sir, I'm adding some more questions.
Yeah. So a little bit more strict because he will be opening up and looking into website, taking book, referring everything and answering the whole thing. No,
Okay.
let them be on their toes
Okay.
rather than on our shoulder.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Next one, please. Hello. Anyone else? Or can I pass it to Ronu, ma'am? Hello, friends. Take this as an assignment. Prepare an MCQ with questions 10 to 20 and be ready for tomorrow's session.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, Judesia, we are going to winding up today's program. So,
Anu, ma'am.
is
Anu, ma'am.
it okay, sir?
No. Just wait. Anu, ma'am. Back on
Okay,
screen,
okay.
please. You have done a mistake. I told you uncheck the box. Your question is available from June.
Okay, sir.
I want it now. Share the screen.
Okay, sir.
Take
Sharing
a
the
look at
screen.
The quiz opened on 21 May. Okay, great. Okay, correct. Attempt quiz. Click attempt quiz.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. The net is slow.
Yeah.
That is fine.
Yeah, okay. True or false? Okay. See,
Okay,
true
sir.
or false, there are certain other options. We will just concentrate on multiple choice. True or false, we'll be doing it some other way.
Okay, sir. This is the.
Just wait.
So next one is the multiple choice question.
Yeah, that's better. Don't be in a hurry.
Okay, sir.
We are getting
Okay, sir.
2 more days. With that, we'll be covering some more things. Okay, then stop sharing.
Thank you,
Is
sir.
anyone else interested?
Thank you, sir.
Or can
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in this we are putting one question at a time. But
At a time.
we are just putting this one question, then adding another question. So there can be an MCQs or a format in which we can address 10 questions at a time.
Yeah.
Like in Google Forms, what we do.
Yeah. See, there are certain other formats that we need to change, whereby we will be copying the whole thing. That is a big process here, not like Google Forms. You should do the same process. This is manual. You need to change the format into CSV and certain other things, and then you can upload the whole question into the question bank. Then click on to the questions, each one of the questions you want to be there. Before that, you should be sure that where it is uploaded. Then you can incorporate that into the question. That is a big tedious process, and I don't think that will be the best thing that I can tell you now.
Okay.
In some advanced courses, I'll be in a position. Now let us do it in manual way. Do upload one question after another and another. Rather than changing the format, going into Notepad, editing the whole thing, changing the format, changing it into CSV, uploading it into a question bank, linking it into your particular module. That is a big tedious process. If you have 500 questions, this is the easiest one. But we only got 10 questions. So we will be adopting the manual strategy. Hope it is correct to you.
Okay.
Anyone else? Or can I go back to the organizers? It is over to Rono, ma'am.
Okay, shall we wind up, sir, here?
That's good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Thank you for this wonderful session. I would take my privilege as the assistant professor in St. Joseph's Training College to give you a few note of thanks for taking this great pain to be with us. You know, these are COVID days, but we never think of COVID, as you said, from the dull, dark and boring in life, that you are giving us light. And technology is the only solution that we have these days, from all the corners, even from kindergarten children or onwards are online. So thank you so much for spending this wonderful, valuable time with us. And on behalf of the management and the organizing staff and all the participants here, I propose you our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation, and see you tomorrow, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Satish, sir. Thank you. Bye for now.
Bye for now.